Hello, friends! Welcome to our Chroma Kids Creations Fun in the Forest. I'm your friendly host, the monkey. And look, here are my fellows. Let's say hello to Giraffe, Rabbit, Turtle, and Elephant. First up, we have the tall and graceful Giraffe.
Hello, everyone. I'm Giraffe, and I love munching on leaves from the tallest trees.
Next, we have the speedy and happy Rabbit.
Hi there, I'm Rabbit, and I can hop, hop, hop all day long.
Now we have the slow and steady Turtle.
Greetings, little ones. I'm Turtle, and I enjoy taking my time exploring the forest.
Last but not least, we have the gentle giant Elephant.
Hello, friends. I'm Elephant, and I love splashing around in the water with my big ears.
Aren't they just amazing? Now let's all say hello to our forest friends one more time. Hello, Giraffe. Hello, Rabbit. Hello, Turtle. Hello, Elephant. Yay, you all did great. Stay tuned for more fun and learning with us here in the magical forest. See you soon, friends. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell icon.